What's up? My name is Felix Montalvo, and I am the manager here at Soulflow Wheels.
My name is Christian Giordano, and I am the CEO and president of Soulflow Wheels.
Soulflow Wheels is a automotive wheel repair and refinishing company, also customization. We also buy and sell factory automotive wheels and ship them worldwide. Soulflow Wheels started because me and my partner, Christian Giordano, we met at a wheel repair company in 1999, worked there for 7 years. Then in 2007, we put our own company together called Wheel Fix It till 2014. We sold that, took a 10-year hiatus. We both moved to Florida. We were semi-retired and decided to rebuild the dream and come back.
I decided to open the business back up. 2 reasons. One, purpose. I had some time and a great opportunity. And secondly, my manager, Felix Montalvo, and a few of the guys that work on the wheels were here in Florida. So I saw a good opportunity for all of us together.
So the challenges we have faced has always been personnel. It's tough to find automotive wheel repair technicians. It's a special craft. Not too many people do it in the country. So that's always been the toughest part, how to build a good team to get the quality work that you want.
My best advice would be just follow your dreams, be passionate. If you love what you do, you never work a day in your life, and don't give up.
To anyone listening, the piece of advice that I have is, if you have a passion for something, you want to get started back up, go ahead, rebuild the dream.